some cracking rock. She's passing people by an old bus stop. Smoke comes the shotgun and her aim is good. 10 people killed by 50